This is our Varley design, which is built at Mount Nathan on the Gold Coast. It's one of our standard plans, and it is built by an owner-builder, but it's not his first rodeo. He's built about 210 houses in the last 7 years. It's not your typical owner-built house, but it's pretty spectacular. One of the biggest features of this house is the cantilevered veranda. It creates an illusion of a floating house. Let's have a look through. So downstairs you've got the guest room and an office. It's got a Jack and Jill bathroom that connects the two, and then a triple garage on the side here. The entry has obviously got a nice big 7-metre high ceiling, which flows up the oak staircase into an open plan living area. The kitchen really is a nice central part of this room. They've used a nice natural marble on the bench top and up the side backsplash. The kitchen designers loved working with this space because they could really use their skills to come up with the right combination of different products to make it blend in with the rest of the house. The living area has a 3.6-metre high ceiling. It's also got the bifold doors that stack all the way around the perimeter of the room to capture the views of this 20-acre property. So here we've got the 3.6-metre high ceilings with the walk behind ensuite, and it's all about the views. So we've got the view of the swimming pool over here, and every single window's got a view of the trees and the nature around this property. This is a dream home because it pushes the envelope when it comes to engineering and physics. It's a sloping site, it's massive. It really does use a whole combination of different materials that wouldn't usually be combined to create a unique sort of style. When designing a property, it's all about the aspect. It's got to be facing the right way. You've got to make sure that it flows and it is blending into that particular site, and it's a fantastic outcome. So this is the best part of the house, this outside living area. It flows down to the swimming pool in Queensland. It's really important to make sure that you can actually get outside and enjoy the views and the breezes. The swimming pool area here really does flow with the actual living area of the house. You can see that by coming out the back door here, you've got this usable space. You don't have to look at big retaining walls, and you don't have to worry about the excavation. It actually makes it all usable without any wasted space. This house really has used a whole combination of different materials and different building methods. It really does blend in with the natural landscape. It's a credit to what can be achieved by getting involved and coming up with the right design to suit the environment. Thanks for coming on the tour, and hope you've enjoyed it as much as we have.